Hello student, today we are going to discuss exercise 1.4 of mathematics, which is rational number. Before starting this chapter, we have to discuss about some properties of division. As number 1, which is closure properties. At the definition is saying that if a by b and c by d are any two rational number and c by d not equal to 0, then a by b and c by d is also a rational number. It means suppose a rational number has 3 by 4, another rational number means 5 by 7, like this. Then in that cases, it's saying its result will be a rational number, because this one 5 by 7 means which represent to the value of c by d is not equal to 0. Is it? It may be. This may be x by z or any number. So if you're going to solve this one, what you get? That 3 by 4, and if we place a sign of multiplication, this value becomes the reciprocal of it. So it becomes 7 by 5, and it becomes 7 3 ja 21 and 5 4 ja 20. Okay, so it's a rational number. This closure property is saying same thing. Okay, the next one is commutative and associative properties. If a by b, c by d and e by f are the three rational numbers, then division of rational number neither be commutative nor be associative. Means, suppose a rational number like a by b divided by c by d, and this also divided by e by f. So it can't be, as you seen that one in the commutative properties, associative properties of addition, as a by b, c by d, e by f. So this can't be equal. So this is neither be commutative nor be associative. The next one is the property of 1 and minus 1. For any rational number a by b, where a by b is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by 1 is equal to same value, its value remain itself, and a by b divided by minus 1, it will be negative. Suppose a number like 3 by 5 divided by 1, so result will be 3 by 5. How it's happened? As per how it's happened? So 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 1. 1 by 1 can be written in 1 by 1. So in that case is 3 by 5, and if we place or change the sign of division as multiplication, then it will be reciprocal of it. So again it will be 1 by 1, and 3 into 1 become 3, and 5 into 1 become 5. So this a by b is going to divide by 1, the value will remain a by b, as we have discussed here. Similarly for negative or the minus 1 also. Okay, so pause the screen and write it this one. Okay. Okay. To start exercise, to solve question answer of exercise 1.4, I have taken question number B and D of 1, which is solve. Okay, the value is given like this, and we have to find the value after calculating this one. So what we will get, the solution in case of solving that one, we will get minus 5 by 7 divided by, every integer is a rational number. So if you can write like this. Okay, as we discussed in definition, that you can write 5 by 7 into 1 by minus 4. Is it? Then it becomes it become minus 5 into 1 become minus 5, and minus 4 into 7 into minus 4 minus 28. Both of them have the negative sign, so it becomes positive 5 by 28. Any rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator both have the same sign, either positive or the negative. So both of them have the negative sign, so these signs will going to be cancelled, and finally what we get? 5 by 28. The next question is, we have to find the value of this one. So in case of solving, minus 36 by 1 to 5 given minus 3 by 75. So we can write this one as minus 36 by 1 to 5 into 75 by 3. So being minus 36 by 1 to 5, you can write that one. It's not here. Okay, look here. So being a standard form of this, the numerator become subtraction, sign of subtraction or the negative. Okay, so what we'll get? We can, if there are sign of multiplication, we can divide crossway also, as 75 3 ja 25 3 ja 75 and 25 5 ja 125. Then what will get? 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, then is there anything which we can divide? No. So what will be minus 36 into minus 1? It will be 36 by 5 into 1 become 5. So this is the answer, and this one is also answer. Okay, write it this one also. Look here, question number 2 is saying that minus 33 by 8 divided by which number? The result will be minus 11 by 2. So in that case, we have to solve this type of question. Let this blank is equal to x or a or b or c, anything you can assign the value, as minus 33 by 8 divided by x is equal to minus 11 by 2. Okay, or you can write like that. This become here or the place of denominator, so it will be as minus 33 by 8 divided by minus 11 by 2 is equal to x. X means the place which are vacant or the value which want to know. So the next one is, so x is equal to minus 33 by 8, and if we convert that one into sign of multiplication, you will get that the reciprocal of number, which is minus 2 by 11. Actually this is 2 by minus 11. But I have written the standard form of any rational number because the denominator should be positive of any rational number. So that's why I have placed the sign of negative here. Okay, then what you will get? 11 3 ja 33. We discussed that one. If there are sign of multiplication, we can divide crossway also, and 2 4 ja 8. So what we will get? Minus 3 into minus 1, so it become 3, and 4 into 1 become 4. So the number is unknown number is, or which number known by us or the number is required to get is 3 by 4. Okay, similarly find the value of this one. Okay, to solve this type of question, just write 8 by 21 sign of division, which is minus 32 by 39. I am just copying the question from here, by 16 by 13. In next step, just write 8 by 21, leave the sign of division as it is and change the value, solve inside the numbers, original number inside the bracket, which is minus 32 by 39, and this sign change into sign of multiplication, then this number become the reciprocal of it, which is 13 by 16. So 16 2s are 36 and 13 3s are 39. So what we'll get, that 8 by 21 divided by minus 2 by 3. Is it? Now the next step, we can write like this: 8 by 21 multiply, this is a reciprocal of that number, which is 3 by, actually the minus 2, but we have written the standard form of 8, so the numerator should be, denominator can't be negative, that's why I have just placed the negative sign with numerator. Then what we will get, that 2 4s are 8 and 3 7s are 21. Then 4 into minus 1 become minus 4 by 7. So this is the answer. Okay, so write it this one also. The next question is, question number 4 is, find value of x plus y divided by x minus y if x is equal to 2 by 5 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So in case of solving this question, just I have written the question as it is given. So x minus y. The next step we have to write, put the value of x and y then what we will get, the value of x is given 2 by 5 plus 1 by 2 and 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Then what we will get, we have to solve the rational number inside bracket, and what we will get, the LCM of, you can write that one, LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 10. So this become 2, we have taken the common LCM, which is 10 for these two. So 2 into 5 2s are 10 plus 1 into 2 5s are 10 divided by same, the common denominator as LCM is 10. So 2 into 5 2s are 10 minus 1 into 2 5s are 10. Then what will get, 2 2s are 4 plus 5 1s are 4 plus 5 by 10 minus 4 minus 5 by 10. Then what will get, 9 by 10 divided by minus 1 by 10. So in case of converting this sign into multiplication, so it become 9 by 10 multiplied 10 by 1. So this become minus 1 actually, but we have to write the term in the standard form. That's why I have written the minus here, because the denominator can't be negative. So what we'll get? The 10 1 ja 10 and 10 1 ja 10. Then what we'll get? 9 into minus 1 become minus 9 and 1 into 1 become 1. So it will be minus 9 because minus 9 and minus 9 by 1 both are equal. That's why we can write minus 9 by 1 as minus 9. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So write it this one also. Look here, it's question number 5. So find the product of two number is minus 21 by 16. If one of them is minus 1 by 3, find the other. Okay. As the result is given, the product of two number is given minus 21 by 16. And the one of that two numbers is minus 1 by 3. So we have to find the another one or the next one. Okay. So in case of solving this type of question, this is the word problem. So we have to write statement. So in case of let the unknown number is equal to x, then you can write according to the question. You can write like this, or you can write complete a word according to the question. Minus 1 by 3 into the product of the unknown number or number which you have to find is equal to minus 21 by 16. So it will be minus x by 3. X into minus 1 become minus x is equal to minus 21 by 16 minus x is equal to minus 21 into 3 by 16, then minus x is equal to, this is 3 1 ja 3 and 2 3 ja 6 by 16. It is in minus. That's why x is equal to, and minus and minus both sides is going to be cancelled. So finally what we get, x is equal to 63 by 16. So this is the answer. Okay, write this one also. Pause the screen and write it. Look here, sixth question of exercise 1.4 is what number should itna be divided, minus 33 by 8 be divided to get 11 by 2. So we have to write, let the unknown number is x. So according to the question, what question is saying? Minus 33 by 8 divided by that unknown number, the result will be minus 11 by 2. So in that case we have to write minus 33 by 8 divided by minus 11 by 2 is equal to x. Okay. How it's happened? Is it clear? Look here. We can write like this, minus 33 by 8 divided by x is equal to minus 11 by 2. So due to the cross multiplication, this become minus 11 by 2 in the place of numerator, and this is 33 by 8 in the place of numerator, and x is the place of denominator and 1 is the place of denominator. So 1 is going to multiply with this one and x is going to multiply with this one, or if it's going to be interchanged, so it become a value like this as minus 33 by 8 by this one is going to replace, so it become minus 11 by 2 and x become the numerator of it. So what will get? Minus x by 1 or x. So that number I have written here. Is it clear? The next one is, then it will become minus 30, or you can write like that, x is equal to minus 33 by 8 divided by minus 11 by 2. Next step we have to write x is equal to minus 33 by 8. This sign is converted to sign of multiplication. Then this value become the reciprocal of it, means 2 by 11. So it become minus 2 by 11. So actually this is the 2 by minus 11. But I have written the standard form of this rational number because the denominator of any rational number can't be negative. That's why I have just remain the sign of negative here. Okay? Or you are knowing that one. Minus 11 by 2 can be converted or suppose the number like minus 2 by 11. So if you multiply minus 2 into minus 1 by 11 into minus 1, the value will not change or remain. So it become 2 by minus 11. Similarly, if we multiply numerator and denominator by any number, by minus 1, the denominator become the positive of it. Okay? So what we get? 11 3s are 33 and 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Then what we get? X is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 by 4 into 1. Then x is equal to minus 3 into 1 become 3 and minus into minus become plus, the positive. So 3 by 4. Finally, you can write like this. So or hence unknown number is equal to x equal to, or which is we have just laid that one, x is equal to 3 by 4. This is answer. Okay, write this one also. Look here, question number 7, which is divide the sum of 5 by 4 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Okay, divide the sum of 5 by 4 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Okay, so we have to write sum of 5 by 4 and 8 by 3 equal to 5 by 4 plus 8 by 3 like this. Then LCM of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. So this become 12 and 5 into 4 3s are 12 plus 8 into 3 4s are 12. Then what we get? 5 3s are 15 and 8 4s are 32 by 12. Finally what will get? 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4, 47 by 12. Okay. The next one is difference of 5 by 4 and 8 by 3 equal to 5 by 4 minus 8 by 3. Same, LCM of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. So the LCM become 12 and numerator 5 into 4 3 ja 12 minus 8 into 3 4 ja 12, which is 15 minus 32 by 12. As you know that one, same sign is going to be add and different sign is going to be subtract. So the bigger one is, we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. Okay, so this is the bigger one, so we have to subtract 15 from 32. Then it becomes 12 minus 5, it's a 7, and it's remain 2, and 2 minus 1 become 1. And the sign of the bigger one by 12. Okay. The next part of the question is saying we have to divide that one. Okay. So pause the screen, write it. According to the question, division is equal to 47 by 12 divided by minus 17 by 12, like this. So you can write, you have seen in many questions, in case of solving this type of question, if this multiplication sign become the sign of division become the sign of multiplication, the value of the right side will be reciprocal of it. So it become minus 12 by 17. Then 12 and 12 is going to cancel. And finally what will get? Minus 47 by 17. So this is the answer. Okay, write this one also.